Wait, don't skip if crypto sounds like a secret language adults argue about online. Give me 90 seconds. By the end of this, you'll know what crypto is, how it works, and why people keep talking about it. And there's one small idea in the middle that makes everything make sense. Don't miss it. Let's start super simple. Crypto is money on the internet. No paper, no coins, just numbers on a screen. But here's the twist. There's no bank in charge. Imagine sending money like sending a message. No teacher, no parent, just you and the other person. Sounds cool, right? Also a little scary. Hold that thought. Quick question. When a bank sends money, do they move a box of cash? Nope. They just change numbers on a computer. Crypto says, what if nobody owned the computer? And that idea created something called the blockchain. Picture a giant shared notebook. Everyone can see it. Everyone has a copy. Every time someone sends crypto, we write it in the notebook. Once it's written, nobody can erase it. And here's the cool part. There isn't one notebook. There are thousands. If one lies, the others say, that's wrong. But wait, who checks the notebook? Computers do. They're called nodes. They check each transaction like referees in a game. If enough agree, the transaction is locked forever. No undo button. That's why crypto is safe, but also why mistakes matter. Now, why is crypto worth money? Same reason a rare game skin is. People want it, and some crypto is limited. Bitcoin, for example, will only ever have 21 million coins. Rare plus wanted equals value. Final things you need to know. Crypto prices go up and down fast, so rule 1, only use money you're okay losing. Rule 2, protect your wallet, it's your key. Lose it, and there's no reset button. Crypto isn't about getting rich fast, it's about owning your money. If this finally made crypto make sense, hit like so others learn too. Subscribe for simple explanations like this.